singing like they always do. Footprints in the sand where our memories stay, calling me back home with every new day. No matter where I roam, no matter how far, my heart remembers where the true colors are. A breeze whispers softly through the coconut trees, bringing back the moments that set my spirit free. Back to the island where my soul belongs, where the ocean dances to the old sweet songs. Back to the island where the sunsets glow. Every heartbeat tells me it's time to go. Back to the island where love never fades, under golden skies and the palm tree shade. Children laugh together as the evening falls. Friendly voices echo through the village halls. Simple days of joy, no need to pretend. Every smiling stranger feels just like a friend. The stars above remind me of the dreams I knew. Every wave keeps saying, we're waiting here for you. Hope is like the tide, forever rolling in. Every new tomorrow is another chance to begin. Back to the island where my soul belongs, where the ocean dances to the old sweet songs. Back to the island where the sunsets glow. Every heartbeat tells me it's time to go. Back to the island where love never fades, under golden skies and the palm tree shade. Back to the island, peaceful and free, a place of love forever, forever calling me. With every sunrise and every gentle sea. Back to the island, that's where I'll always be. The morning sun is shining bright, a brand new day, it feels so right. Good vibes flowing on the breeze, dancing softly through the trees. Leave your worries by the shore. Open up your heart once more. Life is calling, can't you hear? Better days are drawing near. you're searching for a brighter way, hope is waiting here today. Raise your hands up to the sky, let your spirit learn to fly. Come and get it, love is free, flowing like the endless sea. Come and get it, peace of mind, leave the heavy days behind. Come and get it, feel the sound, the roots and rhythm all around. Come and get it, sing along, every heart belongs in this song. Every smile can spark a flame, every soul is worth the same. Share your laughter, share your light. Hey, turn the darkness into bright. Step together side by side. Let compassion be your guide. Every journey starts today. One small step can lead the way. The wind is carrying a melody, a song of hope and unity. No matter where you're coming from, there's always room for everyone. Come and get it, love is free, flowing like the endless sea. Come and get it, peace of mind, leave the heavy days behind. Come and get it, feel the sound, roots and rhythm all around. Come and get it, sing along, every heart belongs in this song. Oh yeah. Oh, come and get it, don't be late. Open up your heart to fate with every beat and every smile. Let's celebrate life for a while. Come and get it, loud and clear. Love and joy are always here. Ooh, yeah. Whoa, whoa. Morning light is breaking free. Hope is growing like a tree. Whoa, na, 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 na. Two roads standing side by side, one with anger, one with pride. The other blooms with gentle grace, bringing smiles to every face. Life will always give a choice. Fear can whisper, love has a voice. Plant a garden where you stand. Peace begins with helping hands. Leave the darkness far behind. Let compassion Hear the heart when someone calls. Every stranger, every friend, hey, can help a broken spirit man. Rain will pass and skies turn blue. Every sunrise starts anew. Hold on tight to what is true. The world begins with me and you. Lift your voice into the breeze. Carry hope across the seas. One small act can light the way, changing hearts from day to day. Guns and roses, which road will you choose? Love has nothing left to lose. Turn the shadows into light. Make tomorrow shining bright. Guns and roses, let kindness grow. Like the rivers gently flow. Hope will bloom in every soul when love becomes our common goal. Let the flowers rise underneath these endless skies. Where love grows, peace will remain, healing every hurt and pain. One love, one heart, one world. Oh, yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh, yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh, yeah, 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 yeah. You walk with confidence, calm and free, shining light for all to see. Every smile can change the day, bringing sunshine all the way. With a spirit bold and kind, you leave the worries far behind. Every moment, every mile, filled with hope and easy style. No matter where the journey goes, your gentle strength forever grows. Standing tall through every trial, sharing love with every smile. You're hard to handle, strong and true. Nothing in this world can cover you. Like the sunshine after rain, you lift us up again and again. Hard to handle, full of grace, bringing joy to every place. With a heart so warm and free, you're a light for all to see. Yeah. Oh, yeah, 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 yeah. Yeah, yeah. Oh, yeah. The ocean sings a peaceful tune underneath the silver moon. Every dream is worth the climb, one bright step at a time. When the winds begin to rise, you still keep hope within your eyes. Faith and courage lead the way into every brand new day. Life may change like shifting sand, but love will always help us stand. Every heartbeat tells the tale. Hope and kindness never fail. Raise your voice and sing out loud. Stand together, strong and proud. Your heart to handle, bold and bright, shining like the morning light. Every blessing, every song keeps our spirits moving on. Heart to handle, full of cheer, spreading love from far and near. along every day, searching for a better way. Some are smiling through the pain, some are dancing in the rain. Every face has got a story, every heart deserves its glory. Hand in hand we can be strong, together we all belong. Don't let anger rule your soul, love is what can make us whole. Open up your heart today, let the light show us the way. People, stand as one, shining brighter than the sun. Love your neighbor, lend a hand, peace can bloom across the land. Oh, people, hear the call. There's enough love for us all. One heartbeat, one destiny, together we were born to be. No matter where you're coming from, every river meets the ocean. Different colors, different names, still we carry hopeful flames. Lift the weary, feed the tree. Nothing's ever what it seems. Kindness grows like morning light, turning darkness into bright. When the road gets rough and long, hope will always be our song. Raise a voice, don't be afraid, better days are being made. People, stand as one, shining brighter than the sun. Love your neighbor, lend a hand, peace can bloom across the land. Oh, people, hear the call. There's enough love for us all. One heartbeat, one destiny, together we were born to be. Oh, na, let love remain. Wash away the fear and pain. People, side by side, with love forever as our guide. Whoa. One love, one world, one family. Oh. Yeah. Whoa. Rise up. Another sunrise, another chance. Time to move, time to advance. Leave the doubts up on the shore, open up a brand new door. Feel the rhythm in your soul. Every heartbeat makes you whole. Step by step, don't turn around. New beginnings can be found. Lift your eyes, embrace the day. Let your spirit find its way. Every mountain can be climbed with a hopeful heart and mind. Break out, break out. Let your light shine all around. Break out, break out. Stand your feet on solid ground. One love leading every stride. Hope and courage by your side. Winds may blow and rains may fall, still we answer every call. Through the valleys, over hills, faith and kindness stronger still. Share your blessings, lend a hand. Together we can heal the land. Every dream begins to grow when we let our true hearts show. Let the reggae rhythm roll. Lift the body, free the soul. Every voice can sing as one underneath the same bright sun. Hey, break out, break out. Leave the fear and walk in peace. Break out, break out. Let the joy and laughter increase. From the mountains to the sea, love will be our victory. Rise up. Feel the breeze, feel the sun. Come together, everyone. One heartbeat, one melody. Come and dance in harmony. Yeah. Morning rises on the island shore. Hear the drums like never before. Every smile tells a brand new story. Simple living, simple glory. Raise your hands beneath the sky. Leave your worries, let them fly. Every step is light and free. Move into the reggae beat. When the rhythm finds your soul, you'll forget what you can't control. together through the night. Gentle breeze through every tree. Nature sings so peacefully. Share a smile with everyone. Life is sweeter in the sun. Hand in hand we'll find our way, moving with the reggae sway. No matter where you're coming from, every heartbeat beats as one. Let the rhythm lift you higher. Fill your soul with hope and fire. Sing it loud for all to hear. Love can always conquer fear. Do the reggae, don't look back. Keep your feet upon the track. Do the reggae, nice and slow. Let your inner sunshine glow. Do the reggae, voices raised. Celebrate these brighter days. Do the reggae, wild and free. This is where we're meant to be. Do the reggae. Feel the rhythm, feel the light. Do the reggae. Everything will be alright. Yeah, the reggae. Yeah, yeah. Ooh, yeah. Some things in life are hard to find. Walked 1,000 dusty roads, carried many heavy loads, met 100 smiling faces, passed through many different places, but a heart that's kind and true shines like morning covered in dew, more precious than silver or gold, a treasure that can never be sold. Don't lose faith along the way. Brighter skies will come one day. Every seed that's planted right finds the warmth of morning light. Hard to find, but worth the wait. Love arrives, it won't be late. Hard to find, but strong and true. A faithful heart will carry you. Hard to find, like stars above. Nothing shines as bright as love. Hard to find, yet clear to see. The greatest gift is harmony. Gentle words and open hands build the strongest lasting plans. Every promise, every smile makes the journey worth the while. When the storm begins to rise, hope still lives beyond the skies. Stand together side by side with love forever as our guide. Patience grows a mighty tree, rooted deep in honesty. Every sunrise brings a chance for life to lead a sweeter dance. Hold on tight and don't let go. Better days will surely grow. good life. Hello sunshine, light my way. Wake my spirit with a brand new day. Golden morning on the open sea. Every little breeze sets my soul free. Birds keep singing in the tallest tree. Melody. Every heartbeat finds the groove. To the reggae rhythm we all move. Leave the worries far behind. Fill your heart with peace of mind. Every sunrise brings a chance. Lift your soul and join the dance. Hello sunshine, shine on me. Fill my heart with harmony. Hello sunshine, bright and true. Every day feels fresh and new. One love flowing through the air. Hope and joy are everywhere. Children laughing in the street. Simple moments, life so sweet. Neighbors smiling as they pass. Building futures that will last. Mountains standing proud and high. Clouds go drifting through the sky. Every blessing, great or small, there's enough to share with all. Let the bassline carry us. Gentle rhythms full of trust. Raise your voice beneath the blue. Every dream can still come true. Hello sunshine, warm and bright. Guide us with your golden light. Hello sunshine, stay a while. Fill the world with every smile. One heart, one love, hand in hand. Together we'll heal every land. Hello sunshine, keep on shining. God bless every day. Fade away. Na na na, sooner or later. Oh no. Na 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 na. Sooner or later, the morning comes with golden light. chasing away the longest night. Every road may twist and bend, but hope is waiting in the end. Every seed beneath the ground grows in silence without a sound. Patient hearts will always see. Life becomes what it can be. Hold on through the wind and rain. Every lesson brings us gain. Keep your spirit standing tall. Love will answer every call. Sooner or later, the sun will shine. Every mountain has a time to climb. Sooner or later, dreams come true. If you believe in what you do, sooner or later, we'll sing as one, dancing together beneath the sun. Hand in hand, we'll find our way, brighter than yesterday. Like the ocean meets the shore, life keeps opening one more door. Every smile you choose to share leaves a little light somewhere. When the clouds begin to fade, see the colors they have made. Every heartbeat keeps the song, reminding us we all belong. No need to rush, no need to fear. Your brightest days are drawing near. Step by step with faith and grace, love will always find its place. Sooner or later, the sun will shine. Every mountain has a time to climb. Sooner or later, dreams come true. If you believe in what you do, sooner or later, we'll sing as one, dancing together beneath the sun. Hand in hand, we'll find our way, brighter than yesterday.